Don't be shy. Hello and welcome back to Step Chef. Today on menu Greek dessert, as I like to call it. This recipe has been in the family for over 40 years, starting with my mother-in-law. Very easy and simple to make, refreshing and tasty, perfect after a barbecue or as a dessert. So, as usual, let's do this. So, to make this simple, easy, tasty dessert, we need some raspberry. I like to use frozen because I find it better. I made it with fresh before, but it doesn't work as much. But you can use fresh by all means, but it has to be raspberry. Some Demerara sugar, some full-fat Greek yogurt, and some double cream. That's all there is to it. So let's make it. So raspberry, first of all, you don't have to defrost them at all, okay? It works better. So today I'm going to show you as a dessert put on the table or as an individual one for a dinner party, for instance. Just roast the raspberry on the bottom, like so. Next, we're gonna beat our double cream slightly in a bowl. When it starts to get thick, we're just gonna add the Greek yogurt. That's all there is to it. First, getting there. That's it. Nearly this. You want something like this. That's it. Now, to that, I'm gonna add the Greek yogurt. The stir, the whisk, that's it. That is done. Next, we put our cream and Greek yogurt on the top of the raspberry, like so. Now, a little tap, even. And lastly, Demerara sugar goes on top, as it is. And don't be shy, that's it. Please try this, because it's absolutely delicious. Don't be shy. Little. Now, cover, clean film, in the fridge for a couple of hours. So after 2 to 3 hours in the fridge, ready to serve. Okay, that should look like so. So please like and subscribe, that'd be ace. And thank you for watching and see you soon on Step Chef. Cheers.
If you enjoyed this video and want to check out my latest one, please click here. If you want to check all my videos, please click here. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please subscribe and